Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can post a movie. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open our profile. We have to open the movie website and we have to log in. And after that, as you can see in the home section, in the discover section, you will get this option tell your friends what's happening. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will get these options. If you want to write any kind of thing, you can also do that. I'm going to write this is my first post. I have written this description. As you can see, let's make it clear. So as you can see, different types of options are provided. If you want to add a voice, a sticker, or the poll, or the GIF, you can also add these things like picture, like the file and the video, whatever you want. For example, I'm going to click on the poll. You can also add the poll as well. As you can see, the options are also provided here. And after doing these all things, you have to click on the post. And after clicking on the post, I'm going to delete this. So let's remove from the post. So as you can see now, so simply we have to click on the post, and after clicking on the post, your post will be posted. So in this way you can post a post on your movie account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.